Jesus then says, "Not many days after, the younger son gathered all together, and he journeyed to a far country." He can't wait to leave. Someone ever told you that money's burning a hole in your pocket? It's burning a hole in his pocket, isn't it? As soon as he gets it all together, packs his belongings, and he's out the door. He needs to go spend it right now. He needs to go chase his pleasures right now. They can't wait another moment. He's on his way. But why does this boy have to go to such a far country? Why does Jesus say that he goes to a far land, a far away place to spend his money? Why does he have to travel such a great distance? The sad answer is because it's far away from Dad. He wants as much distance between his father and himself as he can get. To this man, this young son, anywhere is better than home. The further away, the better. So I think it's safe to say, within a few short sentences here, we could see that this couldn't be any more personal, could it? The tension and the problem between this father and son. This younger son's actions represent a complete rejection of home. A complete rejection of his father and his father's house. And I understand, in order to appreciate this point, some of us are going to have to lay aside negative experiences we've had with our own earthly fathers. Trust and believe, when Jesus told this story, the father in the story was not an abusive dad. He was not an absent dad or a cold-hearted father toward his son. This is the story of a father who's only shown love and kindness to his son. What I'm saying is, this father had done nothing to deserve this kind of treatment from his younger son. This boy's actions are completely irrational and unjustifiable. This is madness, right? He's looking his dad in the eye and he's scorning the man who's only shown him goodness and kindness and faithfulness. And for what? What exactly is it out there that's so enticing? What's so important to him that he's willing to essentially spit in his dad's face and then run after it? What is it that's in that far country that he wants so bad? Well, it's reckless living, empty pleasures, empty pursuits. That's where we get the traditional title, the prodigal son, from. Prodigal. He lived a prodigal lifestyle. Wasteful, reckless, extravagant. This younger son wasted his possessions with prodigal living. And if you want details, you can look at verse 30, his older brother's accusation against him. He says, "As soon as this son of yours came, who has devoured your livelihood with harlots." So you can fill in all the blanks around that and the kind of life that he was living out there in that far country.